Hey, what's up, guys? Well, today's a day, Friday, September 20th. The iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro are both out today. So I'm getting in the car now and heading out to the local Apple store to pick up my pre-ordered iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, guys? Without further ado, on with the video and let's head out. Right, guys, we just pulled up to the mall. It's FairView Mall here. They have a pretty big Apple store in here. That's where I've made my reservation to go pick up my new iPhone 11 Pro. Let's go ahead now and find a parking spot by the Apple store. Alright, guys, so I'll see you in a couple seconds. Alright, guys, here we are now. We just parked. We're gonna go head on inside now in that door and go to the Apple store and get our phone. Let's go, guys. As you guys can see here, there's no lineup for the iPhone. Oh my god, surprised. Very, very shocked. Usually here there's a big lineup for the iPhone on first day. And guys, inside the mall now. Wow, look at that small lineup. I'm so shocked. That's it? That's nothing. It's maybe 30 people in line. Wow, this line here, you're seeing here on my right, it's just people who didn't reserve the phone. They're just coming now to get it to the store. Hello, I'm here for 10:30.
10:30.
Reservation?
What's your name?
Again?
Yeah.
Wow, guys, damn. This line up here for the reservations is pretty long. Wow. And we're not just coming to the end of it. And here we are at the end of the line. Wow, look how long that is. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Just here, waiting at the end of the line. Yep, your typical Apple sheep. Then, a few minutes later, we finally moved up in the line. And now we can see actually into the store. And oh my goodness, look at those displays on the walls back there. The lit up displays, wow, they're so amazing. These ones show iPhone 11, the regular version one. And here's the wall with the Pro displays, wow. And we're up. And here is the all new iPhone Pro wall display. Oh my goodness, guys, it looks so amazing in these photographs, wow. Look at that splash water on the phone, showing its waterproofness, wow. There's 3 cameras with the silver and white one. Oh my goodness, guys, oh my goodness. Here I am now, getting help from an Apple employee.
Your signature, sir?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And there's the phone. Alright, guys, starting on now. Here's the box, yep. Gold Apple logo, gold iPhone text on the side of the box, gold Apple logo on the bottom, gold iPhone logo on the other side of the box. 64 GB, wonderful. At the bottom is obviously my numbers and everything. Okay. Let's go ahead now and open this baby. And there we go, lift up. Wow. The sides come off as well. There we go. Take out the box. Oh, still attached to it. Oh, there you go. Box is loose. Move it off to the side. And there we go. Open the box. Nothing back there, but I can go ahead the box. There's the actual phone. Oh, can you get it out? Very difficult.
There you go.
Aha, let's start with one to it. And there you go, the phone. Wow, amazing. iPhone Pro Max version. There's the manuals, okay. Here's your earpods, your lightning cable. Wonderful. No dongle on the back of it. There's USB-C to lightning port cable for charging. And that's it. There's USB part of it. USB-C. Wonderful. And a brand new 18-watt power adapter for the wall plugs. Wonderful. A little bit too big and chunky, but what can you do? It's a first generation model. I'm sure they'll improve it. Okay, put it back together again. Put that back, earpods. And now we have the manual. Let's go ahead and open it up. There you go. Going slowly. Wonderful. Starting here in French. Bonjour. Okay, some manuals here. The phone. Not English. Hello. Manuals. Open it up. This is a quick start guide. Wonderful. We already know about this stuff. Put it aside. And aha, a SIM card Victor. Wow, nice. Love this. Surprised I actually get this here. Nice. And I guess warranty information here. English and French. Wonderful. And Apple stickers. This is white though, not in gold. I wish it came in gold, but nope. Typical white. So now that I'm done unboxing my phone, look at these cases, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was of course offered to go ahead and look at the cases and possibly purchase one. But as some of you guys already know, I already had ordered about a month ago now a case from China. It was a clear case for, you know, a buck or two. So I had that with me. So I initially just used that right when I unboxed the phone. I put it right on it. Therefore, I'm not necessarily looking for a brand new case as I've currently got one. But it's always good to just browse and get some ideas of future case purchases. And this video of these cases will also help you to see what cases are available and maybe strike an interest in you going ahead and purchasing one. In this day and age, the possibilities are almost endless with these cases. Oh my goodness, guys. This wall is so massive and it's filled and filled and filled with these cases. As far as the eye can see, pretty much. So I'm sure most of you will see one case on this wall that you just might want to check out and possibly purchase. I decided to not buy any of them. iPhone 11 Pro, baby. Pro Max. That's it, guys. We did it. We're on our way out of the Apple Store now. And there you have it, guys. We left the Apple Store with the iPhone. Next, I decided to install a glass screen protector on the front of the screen. There it is. Wow, wonderful. All right. And then I told them to go ahead and install the rear plastic guard on the back of the phone body casing. The ladies had to get creative and just use an iPhone XS Max rear back casing plastic protector and just trace out the all new iPhone 11 Pro's camera bump and use the pair of scissors here that they're using to cut out the camera area in the plastic screen guard so they can go ahead and actually install it for me. So now they're going to go ahead and start the installation of this rear plastic screen guard. They're now taking the dust off with tape. Wonderful. And there you see on the other hand is the actual plastic screen protector. Okay, they're almost done. Now they're done. Next up here is the screen guard installation. There you go, more tape. Wonderful. Make sure it's dustless. And just like that, they're beginning the installation. Ah, so satisfying. Wow, amazing. Been moving it a bit to get it all centered up straight. Applying some pressure to get rid of all those air bubbles. Whoop. Moving it again. Apply some pressure. And done. Afterwards, I decided to go head out to Chat Time here in the mall and get a bubble tea. It's a peach green tea one with tapioca. Splendid. Here's a man now making it. It's going in the machine to get the lid put on it. Wow. That was so quick. And done. Thank you. And just like that, we're now back at home. I had a wonderful drive today on the way back home from the local Asian mall. I got my Chat Time bubble tea, and obviously I drank it in the car on the drive home. It's all finished. I've got one last tapioca ball remaining right there. Let's go ahead now and try to drink it up. Mmm. Delicious. I chose to get peach green tea bubble tea with tapioca. Mmm. Amazing, guys. So amazing. I was very satisfied today at the Asian Mall when they installed my front glass screen guard and my rear plastic protector. It was actually one from a XS Max, like you guys saw in the previous clip. They basically just cut it down to size for the camera bump, and that was it. And something that's very noticeable is that this year Apple has brand new bags. These nice white tote bags. They feel very high quality and durable, stylish, and pretty, you know, high class, I think, yeah. They've got some writing under here. Circular knit handle, it says. Made entirely from paper. Nice. Bag made from 80% post-consumer content. 100% recyclable and reusable. Wonderful. So kudos to Apple on making these new bags instead of last year's plastic bags that were not so good and not so environmentally friendly, I guess. I love these handles. They're wonderful. They're so long and so durable. You can put them, you know, on your shoulders there and walk around if you'd like to. I guess a lot of ladies prefer this. All right. So in here I just have my iPhone 11 Pro Max box. There it is. I stick out the wrappers on it. Then I gotta go ahead and open it up again and take out my USB-C to lightning cable as well as my power adapter. And then I start charging the phone. The phone came with, I'd say, about 80% battery life. So I don't have to, you know, quickly pull out the stuff and start charging it. I can wait a few hours. And with this whole new 5 hours extended time, I have to wait a few more hours than just a few hours. Alright, guys? So this effectively ends the video. This is Mr. Geek 2002. Take care. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe for more iPhone 11 Pro Max content. I'll see you guys on the next upload.